Okay, this is a 2 a.m. update, winter storm update. It's Saturday, January 23rd, 2016. And the snow has started here in Nassau County. We have a coating on the ground, maybe coating to an inch. And this is the current radar from the Weather Service. And I'm just going to point out, this is Mount Holly. We'll first start over here with the Weather Service radar from Brookhaven. You can see that there's now a band now popping up offshore. This band right here. And there could be, this could be a nice little burst of snow they could put down. Maybe an inch, 2 inches an hour for about a period of about a half an hour. So we definitely could pick up a couple inches from this band right here for sure. That's approaching right now. Now we're going to move it further south. Alright, so now we go over here to New Jersey, and you can see definitely some more action over here. Definitely some good heavy snow bands now moving over Atlantic County, moving into Western Ocean County, as well as Middlesex County, Mercer County up here. Definitely going to put down, these could put down at least 3 inches. I have a report already from this Atlantic City area that there's probably about 3 inches or 4 inches on the ground already. However, I'm a little concerned here because we already see a little dry slot forming. I expect this to fill in as the storm intensifies. Now let's go to our precipitation type radar. Alright, this is our precipitation type radar. I'll move this over a little more. Alright, that's good. Alright, let's put this in motion. And you can see, yeah, this rain snow line is really working its way much further inland than I thought it would. Actually, quite a bit further inland. I don't know how close it's going to get to us, but I definitely see this rain, a lot more warmer air in this system than I originally anticipated. I thought there would be more cold air to work with, but it seems like there is the abnormally warm ocean temperatures maybe actually causing this rain snow line here to move more inland, and it may wind up actually making it up to this point actually by the morning. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Because this could definitely hold down the snow totals, especially over coastal Ocean County, as well as eastern Long Island, and maybe even the South Shore of Long Island as well. I'll have to keep an eye on it. The heaviest snow, according to this radar, is over D.C., Baltimore, generally the D.C. metropolitan area up to maybe the southwestern edge of Philadelphia. But that's, this is where the heaviest snow is right now. And as you can see here, definitely, I mean, I was surprised the amount of dry air around here. I thought there'd be some more activity going on. But there is a nice band of heavy precipitation. But this is all rain over Delaware. And this may wind up making it into southern New Jersey, which really, I mean, this would definitely affect the totals there quite a bit. However, models keep saying that the cold air will wrap back in and change this back to snow. But, I mean, this wasn't predicted. I mean, I thought we'd be seeing, I didn't think that line would be making it so far into the Delmarva like that. So, that's what's going on there. Let's go ahead and look at the lightning map. This is lightning detection. I'm just showing you this because there is convection here. No thunder snow, unfortunately. It does not look like there's any. But definitely some convection, some thunderstorms. This is all rain. Very warm water over here. And I think there's a lot of warm water, and this may wind up pushing this rain snow band a little more inland than I thought, which may wind up holding down the totals in certain areas. But if you're north of that changeover line and you don't get the changeover, then you're in a heavy band of snow, and then it could pile up. So that's the thing. But right now I'm not changing my forecast just yet. But if this trend continues, I may have to change it. I was not expecting that at all. Let's now look at the power outage situation. There aren't many power outages generally, but in southern tip of New Jersey here. Atlantic City Electric seems to be having some power outages down in Cape May County. In this area here, there are some power outages. You can see these outages. These are pretty major outages. Let's say most of these towns have complete power outage. Probably that's the only area JCP&L doesn't have any, but and PSEG Long Island doesn't really have any. But Atlantic City Electric seems to be having some problems. They are generally, Atlantic City Electric is not very good. They're basically like Pepco. Well, I think they're owned by Pepco. So if you're familiar with Pepco, you know how unreliable they are. So now let's go ahead and look at the satellite image and loop this up into loop 3. You see our storm right there, getting its act together right here. But again, I just see the storm being further along than the models anticipated, and also a little more warmth getting into the storm than I thought. That changes a lot of things, so I'm going to keep my eye on that as well. So that has been it for this weather update. I will keep you posted on what is going on with this storm as the storm progresses. Stay safe.